Azure Stream Analytics is a fully managed service that help you to ingest your data from a stream onto your storage. For example, to get data from a blob storage and insert this data into another blob storage.
So what is Azure Stream Analytics? Is a real-time analytic and complex event processing engine that is designed to analyze and to process high volume of fast streaming data from multiple sources simultaneously. Pattern and relationship can be identified in information extracted from a number of input sources, including device, sensor, clickstream, social media, and application. This pattern can be used to trigger an action, initiate workflow such as creating an alert, feeding information to a reporting tools, or sorting transformed data for later use. Also, Stream Analytics is available on Azure IoT Edge runtime, enabling to process data on IoT device. Some of the use of Stream Analytics, that is, analyze a real-time telemetry stream for IoT device, weblog clickstream analytics, geospatial analytics for fleet management and driverless vehicle, remote monitoring and predictive maintenance for high-value asset, real-time analytics on point-of-scale data for inventory control and anomaly detection. Certainly, you are posing the question, how does it work, a stream analytics job? It consists of an input, a query, and an output. The Stream Analytics ingests data from Azure Event Hub, including Azure Event Hub from Apache Kafka, Azure IoT Hub, or Azure Blob Storage. The query, which is based on SQL language, can be used to easily filter, sort, aggregate, and join stream data over a period of time. You can also extend this SQL language with JavaScript and C# or a user-defined function. You can easily adjust the event, ordering option, and duration of time window when performing aggregation operation through a simple language construct and configuration. Each job has several output for the transformed data, and you can control what happened in the response to the information you have analyzed. For example, you can send data services such as Azure function, service bus topic, or queue to trigger communication or custom workflow downstream. Or for another example, send data to a Power Query dashboard for real-time dashboarding. Or also you can use Stream Analytics to store data in other Azure storage services, for example, Azure Data Lake, Azure Synapse Analytics, and etc. to train a machine learning model based on historical data or perform batch analytics. Now let's speak about the Stream Analytics capability and benefits. The first benefit is fully managed. If I speak about fully managed, we are talking about the PaaS, Platform as a Services. You don't have to provision anything, either hardware or infrastructure, or update OS or software. A Stream Analytics is fully managed your job, so you can focus on your business logic and not on the infrastructure. The next benefits that is run on the cloud or in intelligent edge. For a large scale analytics, you can run these services at the cloud, or run on IoT Edge or Azure Stack for ultra low latency analytics. Also, you can use the same tools and query language on both cloud in the edge by enabling developer to build a truly hybrid architecture for stream processing. The next benefits that is low total cost for ownership. That means that Stream Analytics is optimized for the cost. There are no upfront costs involved. You only pay for the stream unit you consume. There is no commitment for the cluster provisioning required, and you can scale the job up, down based on your business need. A mission critical ready. A Stream Analytics is available across a multiple region and is designed run critical mission workload by supporting reliability, security, and compliance requirements. Reliability. Stream Analytics grants exactly once event processing and at least once deliver for event. So events are never lose. Exactly one processing is guaranteed with selected output as described in event delivery guarantees. Stream Analytics has built-in recovery capability in a case the delivery of an event fail. Also provide a built-in checkpoint to maintain the state of your job and provides reliability result. As a managed services, Stream Analytics guarantees event processing with a high availability at a minute granularity. In terms of security, Stream Analytics encrypt all incoming and outgoing communication and support a TLS 1.2. Built-in checkpoints are also encrypted. Stream Analytics does not store the incoming data since all processing is done in memory. Stream Analytics also supports Azure Virtual Network (AVNet) when running a job in the Stream Analytics cluster. How about the compliance? That is, follow a multiple compliance certification as described in the overview of the Azure compliance. And finally, the performance. Stream Analytics can process 1 million of events every second, and it can deliver a result with an ultra-low latency. It allows you to scale up and scale out to handle a large real-time and complex event. Also, it supports a high performance by partitioning, allowing the complex query to be parallelized and executed on a multiple stream node. In the next video, we are going to do a small tutorial to show you how to use Stream Analytics services.